My name is Amy Venner Hamdy, and I'm president and co-founder of Platinum Health Europe and Purium. I'm so excited to be taking you on a virtual tour of our new facility. Over a year ago, Dave Sandoval and I made a decision that our mission was bigger than our current facility, and we needed to make a change. We needed to make an investment to be able to carry out that mission to end human suffering with whole food nutrition. And so here we are, and I can't wait to show you. While we loved our old facility and it served us well for over 20 years, there were some downfalls. There wasn't room for expansion to actually meet and carry out the mission that we see. And so we decided to make that change, make that move, and we have a beautiful new facility here in Rancho Dominguez, California. We have room for expansion and growth in our automated equipment. And so with that will bring an increase in efficiency. It'll bring an increase in quality and the ability to serve that mission that is so deeply in our hearts. Some may see such an investment in time and infrastructure as a risk, but Dave and I saw it as an opportunity to meet the needs, to align our vision and carry out our mission, and that is just what we're doing. Our new facility has provided efficiencies in operations. We're all under one roof, which makes it so much easier to manage versus running back and forth on two sides of the street. So we've picked up efficiency, we've picked up quality, and we've picked up the ability to work together as a team and to serve the needs of our customers. We've been manufacturing food supplements for over 25 years. We're a GMP and certified organic facility. We handle the product from formulation to raw material to quarantine and testing, validating those ingredients are what they say they are, to blending, to bottling, to encapsulation, tableting, and even liquid filling. So we have the experience, we know the procedures, and we bring it all together to give you the highest quality product on the market. The first stage of any product is weighing. So here we have an ingredient being weighed out and recording the lot number and the item number, which gets double verified in our ERP system as well as by our quality staff. The next stage of any production is moving that on to blending, where every ingredient gets sifted through a screen and then gets homogeneously mixed for a set period of time based on the formulation. The formulation is then discharged out of the bottom of the machine. Each box is weighed and it's labeled appropriately to move on to its next stage in production. The next stage in production is determined if it is a capsule, a tablet, or it's a powder that's going to be filled. If the project is a capsule or a tablet, it moves into the appropriate area where it's encapsulated or pressed into tablets. The end result is then counted through a state-of-the-art machine with a seeing eye. You plug in the number of capsules or tablets in the bottle, the capsules drop through the chute, they're counted, and they're placed in the bottle automatically. If the product is a powder, it moves to the other area of the facility to prevent any cross-contamination. That powder is placed into hoppers and through a screw press mechanism is discharged into the bottles. We use a volume to weight calculation per product to make sure that you get the appropriate amount of grams per bottle. The fill weight is constantly monitored by our operations staff as well as checked weight by our quality professionals at 15-minute intervals. The final stage of any product is labeling. So after bottling either the capsules or the tablets or a powder fill, the product comes to the labeling line where it gets loaded in roundups, it gets inspected, and then it goes down the conveyor having a pressure sensitive label applied to the bottle. Each and every bottle is stamped with a lot number and expiration date. That's a quality procedure that happens on every bottle, and it allows us to track and trace our production. Every ingredient that's contained in that bottle is referenced by the lot number, and we know when and where we shipped the product as a method of tracking. Before we ship the product, it goes to our quality department for finished good testing. Not only do we test finished goods, but we test along the way at every stage of production. That's called in-process specifications. We have a dual checking system where our operators are checking these specifications, as well as our trained quality staff verifying the findings at 15-minute intervals per each work center. We are so proud of our new facility. We're so proud that we are a contract manufacturer. This food, these supplements that we produce here in this facility, not only are on your table and in your pantry, they're in my household and Dave Sandoval's household as well. That's a responsibility that we do not take lightly, and we're very excited the opportunities this new facility brings to expand our reach and to carry out our mission to end human suffering with whole food nutrition.